American Express Business Checking Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if your business checking account could give you more than just a place to store money? What if it could streamline payments, optimize cash flow, and integrate seamlessly with your business operations? Most people get this wrong, assuming all business checking accounts are essentially the same. The surprising truth about the American Express Business Checking Account is that it's designed to provide high flexibility, digital-first tools, and zero monthly fees in 2025, but it's not perfect for everyone. Today, we're going to break it all down so you can decide whether it's worth it or if you should leave it behind. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how the American Express Business Checking Account works, what makes it different from competitors, its features and fees in 2025, who benefits the most, potential drawbacks, and strategies to maximize its value for your business. Stick around, because near the end I'll reveal one feature most small business owners overlook that can actually save them thousands over time. Let's start with the basics. The American Express Business Checking Account is a digital-first checking solution aimed at small and medium-sized businesses. It combines standard checking capabilities with modern banking features, including integrated payments, intuitive reporting, and mobile management. Unlike traditional banks with branch-heavy operations, Amex focuses on digital convenience, allowing business owners to manage finances from anywhere. Now let's talk about eligibility. To open an American Express Business Checking Account in 2025, you generally need a valid employer identification number (EIN) or social security number if you're a sole proprietor, proof of business registration, and a US-based business. Amex may also review business financials, banking history, and industry type. Approval is typically fast, often completed within a few business days. Now, let's talk about fees. One of the standout features is zero monthly maintenance fees. Unlike many traditional business checking accounts that charge $10, $20 per month, American Express does not. There are also no minimum balance requirements, which is ideal for startups or businesses with fluctuating cash flow. However, it's important to note that some transactions, like wire transfers or foreign transactions, may have nominal fees. The transparency in 2025 ensures there are no hidden costs that surprise you at month end. Now, let's talk about interest. Unlike many business checking accounts that offer negligible interest, American Express Business Checking offers interest on your balance. While rates fluctuate based on market conditions, in 2025, they are competitive for business accounts, allowing your idle cash to earn while remaining accessible for expenses. Interest compounds daily and is credited monthly, helping maximize returns for businesses with larger cash balances. Now, let's talk about account features. You get unlimited domestic ACH transfers and check deposits, along with integrated bill pay. The account allows you to send and receive payments efficiently, whether it's vendor payments, payroll, or client invoices. Real-time transaction notifications and a robust online portal make managing cash flow easier and more accurate. Now, let's talk about digital convenience. The American Express online dashboard is intuitive, allowing you to view balances, categorize transactions, and generate reports in seconds. The mobile app mirrors these capabilities, enabling business owners to reconcile expenses, monitor transactions, and even make payments on the go. For business owners who value speed and simplicity, this is a significant advantage over branch-dependent banks. Now, let's talk about debit access. You receive an Amex Business debit card that can be used for everyday business expenses. Unlike some business cards, there's no annual fee attached to the debit card, and it integrates seamlessly with the account, making expense tracking and payments simple. Some users leverage it for subscriptions, recurring vendor payments, and travel expenses, keeping business finances organized in one place. Now, let's talk about integration with accounting software. American Express Business Checking offers compatibility with popular accounting and bookkeeping platforms, including QuickBooks, Xero, and others. This integration allows automatic synchronization of transactions, reducing manual entry, minimizing errors, and improving accuracy in financial reporting. For businesses that value efficiency, this is a game changer. Now, let's talk about security. The account comes with robust fraud detection, two-factor authentication, and encryption protocols. Unauthorized transactions are monitored, and you can set alerts for specific transaction types or thresholds. In 2025, this level of digital security is essential for business accounts to protect against cyber threats and fraud. Now, let's talk about who benefits the most. Startups, small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who want a digital first, low fee, and interest earning business account benefit the most. If your business is comfortable operating online and does not require frequent cash deposits, American Express Business Checking provides a streamlined, cost-effective solution. High balance accounts also benefit from the interest earnings, turning idle cash into passive income for operational purposes. Now, let's talk about who might want to skip it. Businesses that rely heavily on cash deposits may find this account limiting, as American Express is primarily digital. If your operations involve frequent in-person banking, branches, or complex banking services like loans and lines of credit, you may need a supplemental account. Additionally, international businesses that rely on foreign currency transactions should carefully review applicable fees. Now let's talk about real-world examples. Consider Lisa, who runs a boutique marketing agency. She maintains a small team and processes dozens of vendor payments monthly. By using American Express Business Checking, she eliminates monthly fees, streamlines bill pay, and leverages accounting software integration to save hours on bookkeeping. Her idle cash earns interest, which slightly offsets operational costs. Similarly, John, a freelance consultant, uses the debit card for recurring software subscriptions and travel expenses, keeping his finances organized and under control. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Some business owners assume all transactions are free, forgetting wire fees or international transaction costs. Others fail to take advantage of integration features or interest earnings, leaving money and efficiency on the table. Maximizing value requires active engagement with the platform, monitoring balances, and automating where possible. Now, let's talk about customer service. American Express offers support through phone, chat, and online portals. The company provides educational resources, guides, and account support that's accessible without visiting a branch. For small business owners who juggle multiple responsibilities, responsive support can make a meaningful difference. Now, let's talk about cash flow management. American Express Business Checking allows businesses to schedule payments, track inflows and outflows, and generate reports for tax or internal review. This transparency helps with budgeting, forecasting, and strategic financial planning. By monitoring trends over time, businesses can avoid overdrafts, manage working capital, and optimize spending. Now, let's answer the big question. Is American Express Business Checking worth it in 2025? If your business operates primarily digitally, values zero monthly fees, wants interest earnings, and benefits from accounting integration, the answer is yes. It's especially powerful for startups, small businesses, and freelancers who need flexibility, convenience, and cost-effectiveness. If your business relies heavily on cash handling or complex banking services, you may need to supplement this account with other solutions. Here is the surprising truth. Many small business owners underestimate the value of combining zero fees, interest earnings, and integration features. Over time, these advantages can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars while simplifying daily operations. The account is not just a place to store money, it's a tool to help your business run smarter. So let me ask you something. Do you want a business checking account that just holds your money, or one that actively supports your operations, earns interest, and simplifies financial management? If this review helped you understand the American Express Business Checking account, tap the like button so more business owners can discover smarter banking solutions. Subscribe for more in-depth financial reviews, and comment below how would you use a digital-first business checking account to streamline your operations. Smart business banking is more than convenience, it's a foundation for growth, efficiency, and financial health in 2025 and beyond.